How to check message requests on Snapchat without being friends. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the hamburger icon, or rather your profile icon at the top left corner, and simply tap on the gear icon. That will lead you to settings. Now just scroll down and you can see the option of contact me over here under privacy control. Select on that and make sure that you toggle on for friends and contacts over here. Now go back. And then simply what you can do is tap on the chat section, and to see the message requests on Snapchat without friends or being friends is simply you can tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Here you can see there's no option over here. So what you can simply do over here is you can simply tap on any sort of friends or add friends option and then tap on three dotted lines. Now here you can see the friend requests that I've ignored, so you can simply tap on it and you can see all these friend requests, so you have to accept them. But to see the message request, you'll have to get into the messages section, or you have to be able to be the friends or in your contact list, and without that you'll not be able to check the message request on Snapchat. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.